What's up, guys? Your boy Freddy back with another video. Guys, as you can see, we're getting all the trucks nice and clean. The garage on the inside is super clean now. We had actually went over it with the leaf blower. And guys, remember this Saturday, Oscar put the new flyer on there that big shout out to Houston Car Meets did for us. This Saturday is going down. We're gonna have the Canelo fight. We have the projector and everything else. Hopefully everything turns out good. This is the first time we're gonna do this, so it should be a good event, guys. A lot of vendors, a lot of people already confirmed that they're coming. So see you guys here this Saturday. Also, ahí está la mamalona OBS. If you guys want to pick up entries to win that truck or the new shirt, shop right now. The link is on the first comment. Click that link. It'll take you straight to the website. Every $10 you spend on projector merch gives you 15 entries to win that truck or $15,000 cash. Ahí estamos, guys. Check it out, guys. What's up? Welcome back to another video. Check it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Check it out. Andamos en la more door. Guys, today we're gonna be doing some work at the shop. We're gonna be doing some power washing. I'll show you guys more when we get over there. But yeah, guys, so for those of you that don't know, back when I was in high school, I used to do power washing on the weekends and stuff. And that pressure washer, I've been had it for a long time. So right now what we're gonna do, we have the meet this weekend. We're gonna go power wash the front of the shop so it can look really nice and clean. Now all the tire marks and shit that we be doing out there, that's gonna stay because we're gonna do that eventually. Well, I mean, we'll continue doing that. But we're gonna go wash the whole front of the shop, so whenever everybody comes out of here, gets a nice, good experience and see the shop looking tip-top shape like it always should be looking like. So that's a plan, and like I said, guys, we're planning on doing more and more upgrades to the shop. We want to add a couple more things outside so we could just have like a better vibe, like a better feeling for whenever people come out there. Now everybody's welcome to bring their own drinks. Whatever you bring is on you. But yeah, so it's gonna be nice. We're gonna have a bunch of food vendors. Micheladas Chapulin's gonna be out there. Houston Car Meets, a lot of people, guys. So it's gonna be lit this Saturday from 5 to 12 p.m. Swing by. Ahora sí, let's get to the shop. Hasta mi sombrero me traje. Oh yeah. Sometimes you gotta do things themselves. So let's go. Check it out. Check it out, guys. Ahora sí. Gotta put some gas on the power washer and we'll be good to go. The more than looking nice. Boy, mira ya listo. ¿Listo para lavar todo el pedo, vale? Oh. We wash it all there. You see, guys, all that black stuff on the wall. That's not nice. Vale. ¿Dónde está la pressure washer? Ahí está atrás.
Ya está todo esperando, vale.
Oh, ahí está, ya está medio limpio acá también, ¿verdad?
Vale.
Right to work, guys. Right to work. I was gonna do it, pero Vargas me quitó la pistola, so ahí se va a hacer garra. Aquí tenemos el lineup de carros. We're getting ready for this weekend, like I said, guys. Ya tiene todo eso lavado. Luego vamos a darle aquí todo para que se le quite todo eso negro de ahí. Y ahorita Danny se va a poner a pintar el barandal. That one over there, we're gonna paint the yellow para que se mire bien performance. Vean los carros aquí. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, it's gonna be nice this weekend, guys. Look at all this parking we got. It's gonna be filled with vendors. We have the two shops on the side. We'll have parking over there. You guys can also park along the side and on this side. So it's gonna be plenty of parking, guys. Okay, hay que darle. Bueno. Guys, we left the guys over there working on power washing the whole thing and cleaning out the shop, and we came to Best Buy. Why? Because we're gonna buy a projector so we can stream the fight, the Canelo fight this weekend right there at the shop. A lot of people were like, oh, the Canelo fight is this weekend, I might not be able to make it. Make it, because we're gonna stream it here live at Projector Garage. And we're gonna have the surround sound, the surround speakers, everything.
Damn, that would be badass.
Damn, that should be badass.
Sí, güey, pues ya tienen las bocinas afuera, las escucha con madre.
How do we figure that out? I'm gonna have to call one boy that installed everything.
Or maybe you can connect, connecting to your Wi-Fi, maybe you can connect to the speaker. No, yeah, mejor que le hables.
Yeah. If not with the speakers from the sound que tiene Vargas, we could probably.
Oh, también.
Those are two big ass speakers. So I'm thinking, Oscar, we might stream it on inside and on outside. So we can have the screens playing inside and the screens playing outside. What do you think?
Right.
That's a good idea?
Yeah.
Are we gonna have to pay for it twice though?
That's what I was thinking. I was like, maybe, because I think what you pay per TV. I think. I'm not really quite sure.
Okay.
Pero we'll see. We'll try it out.
¿Eso queda?
Yeah. You'll get your subscription and we'll see if we can play in two different TVs right now.
Oh, because you're subscribing to it. You might be able to log into the other one. I don't know, guys. Oscar's the one who's going to figure all this shit out. I'm just going to buy the equipment.
So, ¿qué traemos?
Guys, so we got a big 100-foot fiber optic HDMI cable, 4K Ultra HD and HDAR compatible.
Y tenemos el Fire Stick. A ver qué tal.
So we're gonna be streaming the fight, guys, this weekend. This for sure. Now we're gonna buy one of these projectors, and everybody that comes, bring you a little nice cooler and something to sit. That way you have a nice chair so you can enjoy the fight.
The Canelo fight.
And bring popcorn. We'll have a microwave. Oh, we can sell popcorn. I was like,
No, don't worry.
The fight's on, guys. So we're gonna stay late tonight, right, Oscar?
Yeah.
So ya después a los 3 ya lo regresamos, ¿no?
Nah, que vergas, guys. We're gonna be streaming all the fights there at the shop. Believe it or not, we're gonna be doing meets more often now. Since we got this, we got the lighting, we got the. It's gonna be a badass setup right there what we're having. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be, like I said, we're gonna be streaming fights, maybe soccer games or whatever.
The World Cup.
World Cup. Damn.
Dang.
Selling popcorn.
Oh,
and
ya
shit.
comenzó football season
We
también.
don't get a liquor license.
A la verga.
What is that? Is that the SVT wheels?
¿Eh?
Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned, guys.
A ver, peleas.
Ready liquor license. We're gonna be selling beer at the shop.
A la verga.
You never
No
know.
mames.
You never know.
Live fight, live fight.
12 o'clock midnight.
All right, guys. So as you can see, we finished cleaning out the whole parking lot. Tomorrow we'll show you how it looks. We also got this big ass screen. Check it out. This thing is huge, guys. Look at this. It's huge.
Dang.
Huge. Now we have a badass projector that we got at Best Buy. We already got everything figured out. We got the computer. We went and did the subscription. That way we could stream the fight here. But we're also gonna be doing like a little area right here so people can set up their chairs or whatever. We're gonna do the vendors over there, micheladas, DJ, and everything else is gonna be on this side. So we're gonna try to leave this area right here to about where the door is at, so everybody can enjoy the fight. If you haven't seen the new flyer, make sure to check it out. Oscar's gonna put it on here for you guys. But I'm really excited, guys. We did a lot of things this week, so we can get the shop ready so everybody can come out here and have a very good time. And we're planning on doing more of this, maybe stream other fights, UFC fights, football games, soccer games or whatever, and boxing fights. So comment down below what you guys think would be a good idea for us to do here. Of course, we're gonna have the shop open so everybody can come and check out what we do out here in the shop. We're really not taking in too much work right now because we're really busy, but everybody can come and shop inside the store, pick up merch, pick up truck parts, michelada mix in there, yum yum candy, candy's in there, carne seca from Gallito Grillers, everything's in there, guys, so you guys can come and shop and have a good time that day. It's gonna be really lit. I'll see you Saturday, guys, but tomorrow, let's flip to tomorrow, Oscar, and show them what we did and how we painted over there.
Okay.
Damn it, boy, guys, so check it out. I told you guys we were gonna show you what we did. First of all, we painted the rail mamalón yellow. Para que se mire bien industrial. We power washed all that. It looks really good now. There's no black stuff on there all the way around. Now we probably should have used a little bit of Clorox so it could have like got it
Bleached it a
completely
little?
out, bleached it, but we didn't. So I mean, it looks a little dark, but nothing too major. Aquí we're gonna put a vendor right here on Saturday. We went ahead and power washed this whole section. So from where the lines start, all the way over there, all the way to the front. Now what we're working on today is cleaning out the inside. The lights are up. Yesterday we tested the projector with the badass screen that we got, and everything turned out really good. So if you haven't checked out my stories, go check out my stories. You guys can see it there whenever we were testing the projector, and the way it looks really good. We're also gonna be putting out the speakers, the speaker we use all the time. It's 2 big speakers, so you're gonna be able to hear it all the way to the back, guys. And really and truly, guys, you can see the fight all the way from back here. The screen is really big. How many inches is it?
120.
It's like 120 inches, a big ass screen.
A big ass screen.
So,
Bigger than
yeah,
a
guys,
TV.
It's gonna be really good show this weekend. Also, guys, we just dropped 2 new shirts. This one with the Honda. Check it out. And then we did another one of the Green Machine, guys. If you're watching this right now, go shop right now. The link's on the first comment, and you can pick up one of these shirts and one of the Green Machine. Check out the giveaway truck. So right now, guys, if you shop, you will get entries for the giveaway truck. The giveaway truck, all we gotta do now is take it to get tuned. All the engine work is done. Jared's gotta make a custom intake for it, and other than that, the truck is completely done. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit. Aquí está la Mamalona OBS. Look at this. Look at this beautiful truck. So if you shop right now, the entries are for this one. We still gotta do a little bit of wire tucking, but check it out. Oh yeah. Badass motor and everything else. We are gonna be installing a cash can and, like I said, a custom intake by JR Fat. We did the custom radiator that comes with the brackets and the fans on there, guys.
¿Ese qué motor es, güey?
That's a LS1 out of like a Trans Am or Corvette.
Yeah, totally.
You guys, whenever we get this thing done, we're gonna be bringing it out here, doing some burnouts, so you guys see the power that this truck has. It's gonna be top of the line. Badass wheels, badass transmission. We got custom built for this one. We're gonna do a custom exhaust all the way. We're gonna put one tip on the side, and that's gonna be it. This truck is looking really, really classy. And like I said, guys, the winner of the truck will have the option either they want it with these wheels or with the 17x11s.
Preferably, I like.
Yeah, the bitch is the clean.
Se mira bien como sporty también.
Yeah.
Classic and sporty.
So there you go, guys. Remember, this Saturday is going down. Thanks for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe right now. If you made it this far, drop a comment. Pretty you made it this far. Post more videos. The link is on the first comment for the shirts, like I said, and see you guys here this Saturday. Estamos.
Dale, 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 dale. Ahí va, ahí va, ahí va. Digo que hasta el diche.
Háganle reverencia, cabrones. Pónganse de rodillas ante esa pinche belleza. Unos $1000 que la quieran para que ya se la lleven.
Mira cómo le
¿Qué
vuela.
estás haciendo? Todo ese polvo de la troca que estás haciendo.
Háganle reverencia.
Mira
bola
acá,
de
mira acá.
cabrones. Háganle reverencia. Le echó hasta bondo. Ya, si le va a echar bondo, écheselo bien.
¿Qué es eso?
Esto, guys, fue los pinches cupcakes que le aventaron a Dani por la cabeza cuando cumplió años. Acá vinieron a dar.
Guys, vayan haciendo ofertas. Esa troca está for sale and on sale.
50% off. Sticker price.
¿Cuánto, cuánto, cuánto? 1000.
¡Ey! Niño, no corre, pero trae Bogarts.
¿Verdad?
Custom Bogarts.
Y Vilax.
Vilax, Bogart, bien mamalona también. Bien,
Está perra, está perra. Vamos pues a sacar otra.
JR, ¿qué pedo?
Es lo que es que como la de él vale 1000, piense que todas valen 1000. La roja esa, pues, la bondeada.
La tuya vale 1000, esta vale unos 700.
300.
La bondeada de Dani vale 1000, porque es puro bondo.
Ahí está el bondo al lado. ¿Cuál cupcake?
Vamos a la verga.
Ah, muñeño, ve checando eso, puñetas.
Pinche sonidazo, güey. Sube la radio, mira, pinches bocinonas.
Ahí estaría quemando ya antes.
Mira.
Y aquí de adentro estaría quemando ya antes. Háblenos aquí a Projector Garage, 50% de descuento, todo lo que quieran. SRTA. Los que ocupen costales de bondo, están en la troca, pero más le pegas poquito y se cae.
Mira la pinche esa es clon, güey, qué bonita está, güey.
Esa sí
Mira.
es troca.
Esa es pinche troca. Es así como está, Yar. Vale lo que vale esa que está ahí enfrente, así como está, sin motor.
Siempre. No, está bonita.
Pobrecita mi troca, mira.
Si estuviera entera, más que. Ahí está el pedo. No, pero
Nos sirvió el pinche motor para la Green Machine.
esta planta la Green Machine. Aquí está este pedo para la bala.
Guys, so a esta le vamos a poner el motor, el que... Nah, le vamos a poner un pinche 6.2 que está. Ay, chinga su madre, nomás para que corra. ¡A la verga! ¿Y el motor?
Te robaron.
Me estoy burlando ya los que les roban.
¿Qué trae JR?
Estoy burlando, pues la mía está igual. ¿Qué me voy a estar burlando? No por mucho tiempo, no por mucho tiempo, güey.
Mira, güey, qué bonita, güey.
Bitch washed. Pues va a mirar bien.
Ahorita lavadita.
Shine.
Se va a mirar como...
Ah, el brillo también.
Sí, sí, sí. Mira, güey. Mira,
Dang.
muñeño, güey. Mira, muñeño. Qué bonita, güey. Mira.
Va.
Ya, ya.
No mames, güey, de volada con la pura parrilla.
Así baja el sur. Ya tiene cristo ahí.
Dang.
Chulada de la S-Scrum. Pronto le vamos a meter un motor para que ande tan siquiera caminando. Guys, we're still waiting on the LME motor. So the plan was to take the motor out my turbo truck, the other one that looks almost like this one, put that whole setup on this one, and then do a full twin turbo setup with the LME motor and the TH400 that we put on that other truck. So that's the plan. That's why we haven't messed with this one. But if they take a little bit too long, then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put another engine in here so we could at least drive it, because the clone is an OG. This one, the Mordor and the GMC son OG. Ahí está, güey.
Ahí está, mira, la está mirando, güey.
¿Cuántos años tienen contigo?
La está mirando.
Eso desde que estaba en high school. Un poquito después de que empecé el YouTube compré esta. Fue la segunda troca que compré.
Ah, sí.
Ahora sí. Ya porque
Lavar.
se les baja la...
Va a poner a llorar.
No voy a llorar ya, por favor.
Yo, tú, cabrón.